Hello friends, today I learned something new and I thought of sharing with you, and this is about fuzzy lookup add-ins for Excel. This is the link as you can see over here. You can get it from the Microsoft website. You can you can download the details mentioned over here, and this is system requirement. You can also try with Windows 10, Windows 7 systems. Then after downloading, there is an instruction to how to activate this fuzzy logic, fuzzy lookup. Let's see how this add-in is going to help us. I'll start Excel. Currently I'm using Microsoft Office 365. So this add-in is freely available for me. So I'll select blank. You can go to developer tool, then select com add-ins. Here you have to select fuzzy lookup add-in for Excel, make it OK. Now you can see one tab over here, fuzzy lookup tab over here available here. Now let me uh, select data. First I'll go to data. I could get data from file, from text or CSV. I'll select this IO list or CSV. Okay, let me load this file. Here you can see 1549 rows loaded. So if you click on this table, you can see over here, this is my IO list table. This is the table name. This is table name IO list. I have around 1550 data points over here. You can update KKS, OPC items, different data types. This is my first table. This is a table. Next, I will select seq1. I'll go to data and I'll select another table, CSV. I'll select this file, third party KKS. I load this file. So basically, I have selected only 201 rows. Now, as you can see over here, click on this table, then go to table design. You can see the table like third party answer KKS, the table name. Now I'll go to sheet 1. I'll click on cell number A1, go to fuzzy lookup tab, click on this fuzzy lookup tab. On the right side, as you can see, this is my fuzzy lookup. On the left side, you can click. In the left table, you can select IO list or you can select any table. I will select IO list. Right side table, I will select third party KKS. Here, this fuzzy lookup find out there are two. I have two columns on the right table and there are many columns on the left table. So let me match the columns. This is object KKS. I'll match with column number 1. Then click on this. So this is matched with based on this first column. Next, there are different options for output columns. This is my output column. Then click on OK. Click on Go. So here what happens is from column number A to K is a first table, and from here onwards, from column number L onwards, this is table number 2. So here in this column, as you can see, column number A and column number L both are same. So that's why I'm getting this particular similarity I'm getting as 1. I'll make a second try. I'll go over here. So now let me again click on this fuzzy lookup. Output column, I will add one more column as fuzzy lookup similarity XML file. Then go. So here this column number O has been added, similarity XML. I will make one more test. Now let me read a few columns. Output cell. I want only object case. I don't need object type. I need OPC item. I will deselect status. I will select data type. I don't know this read a message. Okay. So there are a few columns I can select over here. Let me make one more test. I will go to IO list. So basically I'm comparing with this column number A, this IO list, open third party case with column 1. So let me change one number over here. I have removed this 2, then from this I have removed underscore, but it is there on my table 2. So 5. Here you can see I just removed 2 from there, from this column number A of table 1. And then I cannot see anything from this column number 1 of table 2. The similarity is 0. And here I just remove this underscore. You can see, but here something is similarity is there. 0.97 similarity is there. So now I will make another test. Here I put 2. I have removed this underscore. The underscore over here. Here I put 6. Now I click on go. Here as you can see, some more similarities there. Here I just remove the underscore. Let's put another underscore over here. Here I have added only on the spot. So basically just compare those letters over here. So I think this will somehow help to compare and analyze data points from different tables. You can try out this fuzzy lookup. Thank you.